Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about lists in Python. If you are a beginner or someone brushing up the basics of Python, this video is for you. A list in Python is a collection of items. It is a collection of items in which we can store multiple values, like numbers, strings, or even other lists. We can create a list by placing the items between square brackets. In this example, we created a list named as myList and assigned a list of 5 numbers. This is how we create a list in Python. Let's see how to access the list items. To access items in a list, we can use their index number. In Python, index starts at 0. Negative index for a list starts from -1 from the end of the list. This diagram is the visual representation of positive and negative indexes for a Python list. You can notice the representation of positive and negative indexes for the given list. In the first code, we have accessed the first and last elements using positive and negative indexes. Which is, fruits of 0 gives the first item, that is apple. Fruits of -1 gives the last item, that is cherry. To add or remove items from a list, we use the methods .append and .remove. The below code is an example for adding and removing items from the list. The other methods, .insert, is used to insert an item at a particular index. In this code, we have added an item called kiwi at index 1. Pop is used to remove the last item of the list. To apply operations on list items, we can use loops. Using loops we can perform any operation on every list item. In this code, we have printed every item in the given list, fruits, using for loop. Here are some other built-in methods for lists. The method, sort, is used to arrange the list items in ascending order. Whereas, reverse, is used to arrange in descending order. The method, clear, is used to make the list empty. There are many other useful built-in methods. Comment if you want a separate video on other built-in methods of Python lists. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more coding content.